Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss PYQ of Linear Algebra asked in GATE 2023. So our question is, T R3 to R3 be a linear transformation satisfying this condition, and then we have to prove this linear transformation is 1 1 or onto. So we have to do this by the help of matrix. So this is the linear transformation and this is defined by this. So we will do by matrix. So here by given transformation we let B is the basis of this transformation. So what is the element of this basis? The element of this in basis are what? 1 0 0, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. So this is the elements of this basis. Now we use the linear transformation on the basis. Let 0 1 1 is equals to what? Alpha of, we see the linear combination of this elements of basis beta and gamma of 1 1 1. We see that alpha plus beta plus gamma comma beta plus gamma comma gamma is equals to 0 1 and 1. So here we find gamma is equals to 1, beta is equals to 0. That is beta plus gamma is equals to 1 and beta is equals to 0, and if beta is equals to 0 and gamma is equals to minus 1. So first we'll got alpha 1, beta 1. This is alpha 1, beta 1, gamma 1. So we will get the value of alpha 1, beta 1 and gamma 1. Now next we have to find for 1 0 1, that is alpha 2 plus beta 2 plus gamma 2 comma beta 2 plus gamma 2 comma gamma 2. So here gamma 2 is equals to 1, beta 2 is equals to minus 1 and alpha 2 is equals to 1. Next for 1 1 and 2 we get alpha 3 plus beta 3 plus gamma 3 comma beta 3 plus gamma 3 plus gamma 3. So here what we get? Gamma 3 is equals to gamma 3 is equals to 2, beta 3 is equals to this plus this is equals to 1. So beta 3 is equals to minus 1 and alpha plus beta plus gamma is what? So alpha 3 is equals to 0. So now we will make the matrix of this alpha 1, beta 1 and gamma 1. So what with the matrix? We see here. So what is the matrix? Matrix is alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3, beta 1, beta 2 and this is beta 3, and now gamma 1, gamma 2 and gamma 3. So this is the matrix. Now we will check this matrix is what? Linearly dependent or linearly independent. So what we get? If we will apply the transformation in this matrix, what would we get? Minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1, and if we add this row with this row, what we get? 0 2 and 2, and the next operation we get what? Minus 1 1 0, and if we multiply 2 with second row and then add with third row, we will get what? 0 0 0. So here we see the rank of this matrix. Let A be this matrix. So rank of this A matrix is equals to 2 and nullity of this matrix is equals to 1. So by here we will see that this matrix is neither 1 1 nor 1 2. So our option D is not, D is neither 1 1 nor on 2. So option C is correct, because R3 to R3 linear transformation, and by rank nullity theorem we know rank plus nullity is equals to 3, and here if nullity is non-zero, then linear transformation is what? Not 1 1, so it is neither 1 1, and R3 and the rank is not equals to R3, so it is not onto Earth. So this all are the solution of this question. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.